Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to my KTM 1290 Super Adventure. Now, I did a stupid. There's no other word for it. I was stupid. The bike sits in the garage under a cover, all locked up for quite a long period of time because it's a toy. It's not my day-to-day use vehicle, so it is just sat looking pretty under a cover. Anyway, the long and short of that is MOT time come along. So I'm like, right, okay, let's get it MOT. So go get the key. Where's the key? So it's not where it normally is, hanging up. So we searched high and low in the house, went through all my bike gear and whatever else, and obviously here is the key. And I just couldn't find it anywhere, and I was stressing, and as you do, getting a bit loud because I'm stressing, because this is not an easy thing to replace, and it's not a cheap thing to replace. So I just thought, where the hell is it? Where the hell is it? So I couldn't find it. And the MOT was booked for the following day and I couldn't find it. And a mate of mine was going to take it for an MOT for me because I was off at work. So I said, oh, sod it, I'll go get the spare key. This, as you can see, is the KTM spare key. Now that doesn't fit in that. It looks like it should, but it doesn't fit in there, hence it's cable tied on so I can show you. So I thought, as you've seen in other videos that I've done, I showed you how to use this key, and if the battery goes flat, there's a little sensor on the inside of the fairing, and all you got to do is put that over the little sensor. It'll allow you to turn the ignition on, get home, change your battery. But this, I thought, well, okay, the spare key must be the same. I put the key over the sensor and it'll work. So what I did was, we come over here, there's the sensor that you'll know about right there. I put the key over that, and then I press this button here and nothing. So now I'm panicking. I'm like, shit, so what's the point of even having this key? What's the point of having this key if it doesn't activate it? Because all that does is open my seat. It doesn't do anything else. And you know, I suppose common sense would be to Google it or look in the owner's manual. So I then thought, why doesn't the key fit in that? It's the perfect shape for it. Why won't it go in? I thought maybe there's something at the bottom. So what I done was I put the actual holder of the key over it. So if you come and have a look, so I put the holder, what looks like the holder of the key, over the sensor there, and then press the button. Okay, right, press, and there it goes. So if you ever get stuck, don't be stupid like me. The holder has the chip, not the key. I didn't know that. I'm sure people are going to shout at me in the comments for saying you should have known that. I didn't know that. So anyone that doesn't know, use that. Your spare key will start your bike, but it's the holder, not the key, that does it. So that is almost useless. That is what's useful. So as you know, just a quick one, and yeah, I'm stupid. So hope you enjoyed it. There's more videos of the KTM coming out. Let us know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Cheers guys.